Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Darwin, and in this video I will explain what affiliate marketing is and how does it work. Also, if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing for more videos on how to build a successful online business. Well, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is when you promote other companies' products or services. When someone buys through your affiliate link, you get a commission. Usually there are 3 to 4 participants in the process. In the basic model of affiliate marketing, there is a merchant that offers a product or service, affiliate who promotes the merchant's offer, and the consumer who makes a purchase. In a slightly more advanced model, affiliate networks are involved in the process. An affiliate network is basically an affiliate marketplace where affiliates can find products to promote. Now, how does it work? Well, first you sign up for an affiliate program. If approved, you will receive an affiliate link so the merchant can track who is responsible for the sale. Then you need to publish content on the internet with your affiliate link. It can be on your website, blog, or social media. When you start getting some traffic, visitors will start clicking on your link. And if they buy something through your affiliate link, you will get a commission. So basically, if you're an affiliate marketer, your job is only to drive traffic to the merchant sales page, and then it's up to the merchant to sell the product. I believe that affiliate marketing is the best way for beginners to earn money online because you don't have to create your own product, you don't need a lot of money to get started, and you don't have to take care of customers. Someone else is already doing the hard work for you. Now, there are 2 ways to find and sign up for an affiliate offer. You can go directly to the website of the company and see if they have an affiliate program, or you can sign up to an affiliate network and you can choose offers from there. To give you an example, if you have a website, you are probably using some web hosting company like Namecheap. Namecheap is one of the best web hosting companies, and if you want to promote it, all you need to do is go on their website and scroll down to the footer section and find where it says affiliate. Click on affiliates, and here you can apply to become their affiliate. Another great example is Shopify. Shopify is one of the best e-commerce companies and you can promote it as well. Again, just go on their website and scroll down to the footer section, then find out where it says affiliate program and apply to become their affiliate. And the second way, you can sign up to an affiliate network like Clickbank. So Clickbank is basically an affiliate marketplace where you can search products to promote by categories. There is almost every niche to choose from. For example, health and fitness. You see here, these are the offers that you can promote inside the fitness and health niche. Let's say you did the proper research and you decide to promote CarboFix. To promote it, just click on promote and here enter your account nickname, and after that click on generate hop links. This generated hop link is your affiliate link, which you will use to promote the product. Another great affiliate network where you can find good products to promote is ShareASale. Also, there is TJ Affiliate and so on. These are some of the best affiliate networks on the internet. If you are interested and want to find out more about how to make a profitable online business with affiliate marketing, download my free ebook on affiliate marketing. Inside, you will learn 8 key steps to build a profitable affiliate marketing business. I've also answered some frequently asked questions there, so you might find an answer to a question that you might have. If you don't find it, write me your question in the comment section below and I will do my best to help you out. If you like this video, hit that like button, it really helps with the algorithm. Also subscribe and turn on all notifications by clicking on the bell icon to never miss a single video on the channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see ya in the next video.